You're gonna be tightening it if you feel it getting a little hard. You're gonna back it up a little bit and then tighten it. And that means is you're going over the O-ring, so you press it on the bonnet. So you're trying to prevent damaging it. So you back it up a little bit, turn it, tighten it again. It's gonna be either flush or one thread above. That'd be fine. As soon as you feel it getting snug, you back it up a little bit. And we're gonna be installing the plug. Make sure you do 5 to 6 turns of Teflon. 1, 2. Use your crossing wrench to tighten it. The next thing we're gonna be doing is installing the undercarriage band. We got 2 kinds of screws, it's metric and a standard, and we're going to be using the standards to install the bracket. The next thing we're installing is the bracket right here, while the metric, the screws, they're going to be going in a final assembly. We're going to be putting them in a little baggie, they're going to be packaged for y'all. And we're going to put in the screw with a lock washer, just to start and do a couple of turns by hand. That's just to prevent damaging any threads. But you don't do no cross threading and stuff like that, so you do it manually first. We're going to be using the ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket. Make sure you go crossways to prevent any uneven on the bracket. Just go back to them pretty quick just to make sure they all tie pretty good. Then we're going to be installing the actuator adapter coupling. And then on the final assembly, after we do our painting and everything, we're going to be installing the nameplate, which is going to be placed right here. It's going to have the information from the work order. And we're going to have the carousel tag on the side, and then we're gonna do some stamping from the serial numbers to be able to track them. We have a grease fitting that is going to be placed after the painting, and we're gonna be putting it right here. We have the screwdriver right here to install it, and this is the final assembly for a BEAP